Ready for some lateral raises. So the first thing that I will do some single arm lateral raises and then finish it up with a regular lateral raises. So let's do this. Single arm lateral raises. Other side. Alright. And then we do a regular lateral raises to failure, guys. Whew. Alright, that's first set for you. So with this single arm side lateral raises and then supersetted with a regular lateral raises, guys. That's first set. Coming up, second set, guys. Single arm. Other side. Alright. And then lateral raises to failure. Whew. Alright, that's it.